features, and how to install Python. Similarly, we have discussed about various platform, or I can say IDE for Python. Right. After that, we have discussed various data types used in Python. Today, we will discuss about various operators inbuilt functions is not IB, it is inbuilt functions and user defined functions. And if time permits, we will also discuss about various conditional and iteration statements and their syntax in Python. Right? Now, if somebody is having any doubt regarding the previous class, they can ask. I hope you have done your assignment. How many participants have done or tried to done the assignment? Please write in chat box.
Sir, please tell about the command when user should be asked some input.
Today I will explain this command, how to enter the variable or how to enter the input through keyboard by the user. The command that we use is input. Is the command that we use to enter input through keyboard by the user. right? This input command we will use, and I will take one example also. Okay, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Someone is saying, please. Circle. Now somebody is saying, suppose we have taken radius is equal to 1, and then the formula for this is percentage pi into, or I will write direct value into into r into r. And now if I type print a, this is the area of a circle. This is simple formula. We can use like this also, or we can use power function of MATLAB, sorry, Python also. In Python, we have power function for taking power of a variable. I will explain one by one. So if you want to find the circumference, then you type 2 into 3.4, 3.142 into R. Now if I type print C, that will give you the circumference of a circle. So from these two commands, it comes to the my knowledge that this star is used for multiplication in Python. Or we can say this star is arithmetic operators. In Python, we have number of operators are there, like arithmetic operators, comparison operators, or sometimes it is called relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. So in Python, we have number of operators such as arithmetic, relational, identity, assignment, sorry, and many more. We will discuss these operators one by one with example, right? So shall we start the session now? So we will start with arithmetic operators. We will start with arithmetic operators, and in Python we have plus, minus, multiplication, divide, percentage, or this percentage is also known as modulus. Then we have star, two times star, that is exponential operators. These are the various operators that we find in Python. And each operator is have specific task, such as plus is used for addition. Similarly, this slash sign is used for division. This mode is used to find remainder, and similarly, star star is used to represent exponential. Now I take a example for this arithmetic operators. I will open my file. I have already written codes for this. and I will open arithmetic operator 11. Program for arithmetic operators. Let us take three variable, that is A is equal to 21, B assigned value 10, and C assigned value 0. Now this this is the additional operators, or we can say this will add the two numbers. This is known as subtraction operators. This is multiplication operators. This percentage shows the function or the operators which is used to find the remainder. And again, this is for exponential power a raised to power b. So I will run it, and you will see a is 21, the value of b is 10, and the addition is 31. Again, the value will remain same, and subtraction, after subtraction, the result is 11. After multiplication, result is 210. And after this division, result is 2.1. And after this is known as percentage operators, or we can say modeless operators. This will percentage, or it is known as modulus operator, which is used to find remainder of a number divided by another number. So if 21 is divided by 10, you will see the remainder is 1. And here it is C. If I change it in sum, then I have sum 1, because sum is keyword. We will discuss about the keyword later on. And now if I run, you will see 31. Sum is again A plus B. It is 31. It is not same here. We will check it. C is there. Okay. Yes, already defined. C is equal to sum. Now run. Some error is there. I will check. And if you don't want to display in this order, you simply type the print command and you write up to you how you will do the things. Next operator is relational operators, or we can say it is comparison operators, which are used for comparison purpose. And these operators are, this is, just check, two equal sign means it is equal operators, and it is used for comparing whether two numbers are equal or not. Similarly, we have these operators not equal. This represents not equal, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and so many are there also. These operators will find their utility in conditional and iteration statements. There we will use it. Now I will take an example for this. You see here, operate. This is the code for relational or comparison operators. Here I am taking two variables, A assigned 21, B assigned 10, and I ask if, this is the conditional statement, if A equal to B, if the condition is true, then we have to print line 1, A is equal to B. This is the syntax. You can type anything that you wish. Yes, two numbers are equal. Similarly, if I copy it and type here, if the condition is false, in that case you type no, two numbers are not equal. And this is for not equal to, this is less than, greater than, this is for less than or equal to B, greater than or equal to A, and so on. So this is a simple example for relational operators. And you see, no, two numbers are not equal because A is greater than B in this case. A is greater than B in this case, and if I write 5, it means A is not equal to B. Again, you see, no, two numbers are not equal, and somewhere in this, something will change. A is not equal to B, A is not less than B. Here you see A is less than B. See this statement, A is less than B, and here line number 3, A is not less than B, because at that time A was 21, and after changing the value of A to 5, this statement will get changed. So this is the utility of your relational operators, right? And this is the syntax for writing if else statement in Python. You have to write if, then any condition, and then print, and then else statement or else, and in the end you again type something. If this condition is true, you have to print this. If this condition is false, in that case you have to print this. We will discuss this if else statement later on. Next operator is assignment operators. This is assignment operators plus 1 minus equal to this operator. I will means increment by 1. If we put plus a plus equal, it means increment by 1. And this means decrement by 1. Suppose I have a value 5, and now I used just, I will take example. Then similarly we have star equal to divide equal to, and so on. These are known as assignment operators. And now take the example of assignment operators. Now you see here. This is the assignment operators, and I will remove this because now you can see here they have changed the value of C is equal to 2 instead of 0, and they have again used this percentage operators. And if I run it, you will see C plus E. It should be increment by 1 होना चाहिए ना. Multiplication it is coming fine. In division it is coming exact. What is the value of 8 divided by this? Let me check. It is one. It is just x.
हाँ मैं कह रहा था कब आया है वही कॉपी आई लिखवा लो कहाँ आ नहीं हमारा मन इतना डिस्टर्ब है ना कभी किसी काम को मन ही नहीं
0. Now it is 42. ऐड होके आ गया भाई ये तो. चलिए, I will take this example later on after making correction, but you must know these are the assignment operators. Assignment operators equal to, plus equal, minus equal, and so on. These are known as assignment operators, and they are used in Pythons for programming purposes. Next operator is logical operators, such as and, or, and not operators. They are used for logical operations or to compile two or more conditions and check, find the results. Let us take the example. This you can see here. Again, A is assigned value 20, B is equal to 10, and print A. This is a string, and value of A will be printed. Then binary, and here you see this is AND operator. This is known as OR operators. This is known as exclusive OR. This is NOT operators. This is right shift operators. And similarly, we have left shift operators, which is equal to two symbols of less than, equal to, less than. So if I run this, you will see what is the binary equivalent of 20. I will make it simple. Take one. Binary equivalent of 2 is 0010, and 1 is 0001. You take it like this. I have put, sorry, comments. So the binary equivalent of 2 is 0010, and binary equivalent of 1 is 0001. So now let's run and see the result. What is the result of AND gate? It is 0, because if you compare, now if I make it 3, suppose, then it will be 1, and ending of 1 1 1, you will check it 100 and so on, and now you see the result. Now it becomes 1, and in previous case, in AND operation it was 0. So these logical operators, they perform the operation bit by bit, right? And again, complement is there, left shift, right shift, true, true or false according to these conditions. If A1 is equal to 5, print A1 greater than 3 and A1 less than 10. Similarly, this condition and this condition, in first case it was 5, therefore A1 greater than 3 and less than 1. So result must be true, and you see the result is true, right? Similarly, here A1 greater than 3 or A1 less than, and the result must be true because the condition is satisfied. And in the previous, in the next condition, A1 greater than 3 and A1 less than 10. Yes, right? Greater than 10, no. It is not greater than 10. So result is false. So this is the utility of logical operators. Similarly, we have identity operators are also there. Identity operators. Just wait. And it is, and other identity operator is not. These are the two identity operators, is, and second one is not. Is and is not. If I take the example, you see a program for identity operators is and is not. I have taken a list which consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have taken a another list which consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bracket. Now you are entering the integer value. Enter the number. Suppose now write 21 syntax there. Let's check. Okay, I will check it. Command यही रहेगा. Invalid syntax. Okay, sorry. Let's check through example. Now this is another example. Name, input, enter your name, city, input, enter your city, and you print hello, my name is, and after that you want to print your name and this city. So if I run, you will see enter your name, I enter city. If I enter, and you will see hello, my name is Raj, I am from Hisar. I am not getting this int.
Sir, close one more bracket, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now enter the number 3, and if I print A 3, so you required a lot of concentration when you are programming. I have just missed a bracket and it shows invalid syntax. So you must be little bit careful when you are writing a program. So I will use int. If I use float, you can enter the floating value also. If I use float, I can enter float value, enter the number 3.142, and if I write print A, it is really of type float, and you will see the class is of float. Next important one is module in Python. I will have a 2 minute or 3 minute break, and then I will be there again, and I will show you how to create your own module, how to use that module in your program, and what are the inbuilt modules present inside the Python. That we will discuss after 5 minute break. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shall we start now? So, module in Python, this is the next topic that we want to discuss. And module in Python is same as, or we can say, the library which is already present in Python. Library, or we can say some functions which are already present in Python. You can create your own module using diff function. I will show you how to create module using diff function. Create your module. Let us open a file with some my module name. This is a simple module that I have created, and the syntax for creating a module is you simply write diff, then name of the module, is the syntax for writing diff. Up here, greeting is nothing but it is the name of the module, and name is a variable which I have placed here. Name is a variable or argument. So whenever you want to create a module, you have to write diff, that is user defined function. We will discuss later on also. Then you write name of the module which you want to give. If I want to give any name, you can give any name, but it should follow certain rules as same as identifier. So this is simply name. You can give any name. It is up to you. I have given greeting, and after that you have to write the logic here. You have to write all the logical command here after this colon symbol. You have to write enter, and you have to write all the commands which should be typed here, which you want to perform. So if I run it, you will see nothing. Is there anything? So before that, I have to use a keyword, that is import, is used to import module in directory of the Python. I have to use this import function for this. So let's open a file. I have created module, saved it by name my module, and now I will call this my module to solve or to greet myself or to solve my problem. Uh, so see here, import. I have used the keyword import, and I want to import the module which is named as my module. I have also used or I have also import math module which is present in the library of the Python. And here my module dot greeting and name is you can change anything. Let's check. From import, I have used x which is a variable and it will calculate the square root of this number that is 64. And for that, I have write math.sqrt. This sqrt is a function which is already present inside the module that is math. It is the function which will calculate the square root of a number, and it is already written in math module how to calculate the square root of a number. Or we can say logic is written in this math module. So if I run it, you will see the square root of 64 is 8 and it is greeting hello Rajendra. So here in this example, I have import my module which is user defined. Is user defined module, or we can say user defined function, and math is user defined. Sorry, it is not user defined, it is inbuilt module present in Python. And this math module contains a number of functions such as arithmetic, trigonometric, inverse, and so on. So this is a simple example for how to create user defined module, how to call that user defined module in your main program, and how to import it. So if I change 16, now the result must be 4. So the square root is 4 of 16. Now if I write int input enter the number and now if I write A, let's check. Infantile. One bracket is missing, I think so. Now he says enter the number. Now if I enter 64, you will see the same result. So this is how you can enter the value through keyboard. And the syntax that I have used is input. Next is keywords in Python. Keyword means they are the reserved word that cannot be used as as variable, function name, or any other identifiers. Means this the if I use is equal to 5 is a syntax error because this is a is is a keyword keyword in Python. Similarly, we have number of keywords are there in Python such as false, true, return, while, for, if, else, or, and, and, and many more. बहुत सारे keywords हैं. Yes. If I type keyword dot kw, sorry, is keyword syntax error. What is the problem? Okay, okay.
Underscore. I think after is underscore.
Uh, uh, no, no, it will not underscore. Let's check. Otherwise, I will take an example. I have already taken 19. Let's check. I have import keyword. This is a module which contains keyword in Python, and I have taken a variable s is equal to if t in and u, that is geeks for. This is a simple syntax. Now I write print s is a keyword in Python, and I have written keyword dot is is s. In store if I change this into this one, and now check whether it is a keyword or not. It is false because Raj is not a keyword in Python module. Keyword नहीं है ये. And similarly, if I want to check whether while is a keyword, then you can check the answer must be true, and so it is true. So this is the syntax for checking whether it is a keyword. Return the variable. Let's remove this. Right. Now I will type a command and you will see the result. If I type help, with it modules, what is saying? While I am gathering a list of all the modules, and this is the list of all the modules which are present inside the Python. And out of this, you can see here keyword module is there, which I have import in the last example. And you can use this select is also a module. Math module is also there. Symbol module is also there. If I type symbol, so this is again a module. So this is the complete list of all the modules that are present inside the example or inside the Python. Sorry. Now, is of modules. Reduce development time. Means if you have already designed or if you have already created a module that will help you to save your time in writing the code. Because if you have a module, you can call that module or import that module in your program. So it will reduce the development time for coding. Next is reliability. Next is reliable IA. So these are the please Palak, these are the few modules present in Python and its advantages. We have discussed point module so far and also import math module, right? Tomorrow we will discuss about conditional and iteration statements in Python. It is over now. Please, she may ask. Otherwise, we will leave.
Yes, sir. With your permission, I will ask once again. Dear participants, anyone having doubts regarding day before yesterday and today's session, please ask doubts. Thank you.
No.
Sir, someone has raised in chat box some doubts regarding assignments like that. You can.
Okay. Assignment, sir. Will you create a email account?
Yeah, okay, sir. I will create it.
If you create a email account, and we will distribute that email account in the group, and they will
Yeah,
submit
sure, sir.
through mail also.
Okay, sure, sir.
Sure,
I
sir.
will create and
Okay.
post in the WhatsApp. Okay.
So that
Dear
record
participants,
will also be maintained.
yeah, sir.
If you create a mail, record will be maintained.
Yeah, sir. Participants, any doubts or else we can leave with sir permission.
Thank you, Rajendra sir, for this session. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Should I
Thank you,
leave
sir.
now? Okay.
Participants,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, someone. Okay. Okay, thank you.
thank you
Thanks
very
for
much.
listening.
Thank you, sir.